To access Scratch, you can simply open up your browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. Once you're at this page, you can simply click on this Create button to start working with your Scratch project. This is the stage of your Scratch program. If you want to change the background of the stage, you can simply click on this icon and then choose the background that you want to use. On the stage, you can add different objects, or what we call sprites, into your Scratch program. You can add a new sprite by clicking on this icon and then choose the sprite that you want to use. To delete a sprite, you just right-click on the sprite and then choose Delete. You can change the costume of a sprite by choosing Costumes and then pick the costume that you want to use. So now, after adding all the sprites into the Scratch program, we have to set up some instructions to control the behavior of the sprites. Notice that a computer program is just a set of instructions asking your computer to do something for you. So now we have to set up some instructions to control the behavior of the sprites. To set up the instructions, we just go to this Scripts page and then use this code blocks to control the behavior of the Scratch program. For example, whenever I click on the green flag, I want this little cat to move 10 steps. Now, whenever I click on this green flag, the cat is going to move to the right hand side by 10 pixels. Now, to save a Scratch program, you can simply choose File and then download the Scratch program onto your own computer. And then you have to give your project a name. For example, Moving Cat. And then just say, I want to save it. Then this project is going to save as a .sp2 file on your own computer. To load a project, you can just go to File and then choose Upload from your computer and then choose the project that you want to use. Another way to use Scratch is by installing the offline editor. You can install the offline editor by going back to the home page of Scratch. And then scroll down to the bottom. Click on this offline editor link and then follow the instructions to install the offline editor. And this offline version of the editor allows you to work on the Scratch projects without internet connection. And the offline editor looks very similar to the online version that we have just used for creating the Moving Cat project.